Sagittarius July 2021 horoscope. It is time to take guidance from others during the first part of the month. Mercury is forcing Sagittarius' personality to do this. Saturn brings stability in your activities. There may be problems on the relationship front due to the aspects of Jupiter. Sagittarius Education Horoscope. Not favor good conditions for academic development of students. Almost all the courses of study will require much more efforts with the expected benefits. Fine arts and language students will have a tough time to manage their courses. Planetary aspects will reduce your mental abilities and passing examinations will become difficult. Sagittarius Career Horoscope. Planetary aspects will keep the environment at the workplace quite harmonious, and this will help you to execute your projects as per schedule. You can expect to reap good benefits for your hard work. During your spare time, you can engage yourself in charitable activities for the benefit of the society. You should also try to enhance your professional skills through proper training. Sagittarius Finance Horoscope. Sagittarius Zodiac Finance Horoscope for the month of July 2021 is not at all auspicious for financial affairs. Stellar positions will make it tough for business persons to make good profits. Even traders and arts dealers will fail to make good progress in their business activities. The month is not advantageous for starting new business projects. Investments are not profitable and there may not be surplus money also. Sagittarius Travel Horoscope. A month during which there is a little profit from travel, professional and business travel cannot be avoided, but the gains from these are not encouraging. In the absence of any benefits, it is advisable to cut down your travel plans. Sagittarius Health Horoscope. Stellar support will be missing and you are liable to be attacked by serious illnesses. They will require constant medical attention. Stress appears to be the main source of most of the medical problems you have this month. Good relaxation methods such as meditation will solve these problems. Schedule your activities properly. You should try to improve your fitness through a good exercise plan and a healthy diet. Sagittarius Love and Relationship Horoscope. Sagittarius compatibility may face some volatility during the month and you should make efforts to keep it lively. Mars will support your sensuality after the 23rd. The last week of the month will be very passionate. Single persons can expect to find love during their trips or holiday vacations. You will get a person of your choice and it is up to you to develop the relationship. Sagittarius Family Horoscope. There will be serious conflicts between family members and this will have a negative impact in family surroundings. The financial situations of the family also will be a matter of concern. You should make serious efforts to maintain harmony in the family environment. Children would tend to behave in an ill-tempered manner and not perform too well in the studies, games, etc. Supervise their activities carefully, giving more time and energy to their affairs. Thanks for watching the video.